Hi there, I'm back. Okay, so now 4x minus 2 equals 6. So how can I represent this? Okay, so I have 4x, so I'm going to draw 4 big pieces right over here. Okay, and it's minus 2, so I draw 2 negative tiles. And on this side I have 6, so I will draw 6 positive tiles. Okay, and the first thing I have to do is, well, my goal is to isolate one x. So first I'm going to take care of these 2 negative tiles so I can actually start isolating the x. So what I'm going to do is I am adding 2 positive tiles. And remember, if I do one operation to one side, I have to do exactly the same operation to the other side. So I'll add 2 positive tiles to this side as well. So what do we have here? Yes, I made some zeros. So I take away my zeros. And now I can focus on, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 x pieces, 4 pieces of x. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the other side. Okay, so what do I do? Well, I can divide this by 4, so I can isolate x. So what I do is, colors. Okay, so I'm dividing this side by 4. And remember, if I do one operation, I always have to do the same operation to the other side. Can I divide the other side into 4 equal parts? Yes, I can. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So at the end, I have x equals 2 because I have, whoops, let's just use tiles. I have 2. And how can I write this out as an algebraic equation? Okay. So 4x minus 2 equals 6. Okay, in order to isolate, first I'm going to focus on, okay, this part and this part. I have to take care of this part first so I can start isolating the x. So I'm going, remember I added 2 positive tiles, so plus 2. And when I do one operation to one side, I always have to do the same operation to the other side because it is a balanced model. So now I have 4x equals 8. And remember that I divided into 4 equal pieces to isolate one x. So I divide this by 4. If I do one thing to one side, you have to do the same to the other side. Divide it by 4. And now I have 1. I have 1 and 2, meaning I have x equals 2. And yes, there is a little 1 right over here. You don't have to write it, but just remember there is this 1 right over here because we are looking at one tile of x. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.